So I wanted to make a video about my BMW 528 2008. I was getting codes about mixture control 1 and 2, mass airflow, electric coolant pump, and I was having a rough idle and everything like that. So this, I kept seeing people talking about the oil filter housing gasket and the oil cooler gasket. And I had tons of oil all over the front of my car down here. I cleaned it up a little bit as much as I could without taking everything apart. What started happening was the belt kept slipping off because of the oil kept getting on the pulleys and would cause the belt to slip off, which thank God it didn't shred, because I've seen videos of belts going into the engine and causing timing chain problems and everything like that. So I was fortunate enough that not to happen. But the main reason I'm making this video is because watching a lot of the videos where people were replacing their oil filter housing gasket, they were taking off their manifold, or at least loosening it up, and also the air box and all this other stuff. This tool right here was all I needed. Amongst the ratchet, I don't know what hex or whatever size the ratchet I used was, but just quick thing was this, let's see, that bolt down there, I was able to get this little wrench on this bolt down there, just like that. As you can see, it's not quite on all the way right there, but I was able to get that in there, break it loose. Also, I was able to come in this way and get to it. As you can see, I'm just trying to hold the camera and do it now, but I was getting it on there. So I didn't have to take off my manifold or none of this stuff, the air filter box or anything like that. I bought this tool when I had I bought a set of them. I think it was like, I don't know, $12 or $13 at Walmart for like 6 of them, all different sizes. Walmart, AutoZone. I'm sorry, this is my first video that I'm posting about my car. But I just hope this helps somebody. You don't have to go through all that. I mean, it did take me a little bit longer to, I didn't have much room to turn this thing. But I didn't have to take off all that other stuff because I was worried once I took off my manifold that I would need a new gasket for that, and I didn't want to deal with all that stuff. But after I replaced those two gaskets, the oil cooler gasket and the oil filter housing gasket, all my codes went away. I do recommend definitely changing the antifreeze, which there's a drain plug down there. You got to get it from underneath the car. It's not that hard to get to. And then rebleed the system. There's tons of videos on rebleeding the system. But like I said, I did the whole job basically with this. As you can see, it fits right on these bolts, but yeah, so I just want to make a quick video. Hopefully this helps somebody. You don't have to go through all that stuff. It might take a little bit longer, but if you don't want to get a new manifold gasket or whatever, all that other stuff, and take off all your air filter and all that, which really isn't that hard of a job, but just saved me a headache of possibly needing new gaskets for everything and all that other stuff. So like I said, this definitely my check engine light was on, all that stuff was on. So I just wanted to hopefully this video helps somebody. Like I said, it's my first video. If you like it, please subscribe. If I come across any other things, I'll make more videos. Just want to say thank you for watching this video, and hope it helped you out.